Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube cooking video. Today let's learn how to cook a quail bird fry. Firstly, we need some ingredients. Half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of pepper, half a tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 2 green chilies, some cilantro, lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of oil, and some ginger garlic paste. Mix all this content into a fine paste and apply to your quail birds. Marinate well. Turn on your stove. Put a pan, add some oil, and now once the oil is ready, you can add the bird into the oil. And let it fry for some time. Meanwhile, you can keep this garnishing ready. And now this is completely cooked. Yes, the fry is ready.